Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. Today we're going to be talking about how to earn $495 in free Bitcoin just by watching videos online. So make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss out on how to easily earn Bitcoin just by watching videos. You're going to be absolutely shocked. Number 1, establish your Bitcoin account. First of all, you need to place your Bitcoin somewhere safe. Just like any other digital form of currency, it is best to find an online wallet. This is the standard procedure when collecting Bitcoin. It is a super simple process and it's absolutely free. First, you will need a legit and safe website. You can use websites such as Coinbase or Blockchain, but if you still aren't sure which one to use, you can head on over to the Bitcoin website and fill out a survey to see which online Bitcoin wallet is best for you. Once you find it, head on over to that website and sign up. Enter in all your necessary credentials and create that free account. Now, you will have access to your Bitcoin wallet. You can store your Bitcoin here and connect it to many other mining websites. You can also use it to spend your Bitcoin anonymously. So set one up now and let's move on to the next step in this video. Number 2, enter the ESPTCO platform. Let's find out about a nice platform that we're going to be using today. Head on over to the ESPCTO website at poco.btcnews.com. Now once you're there, you will see their homepage. Make sure to pay attention to these steps so you can maximize your profits and understand how to properly use this website. Now that you are on the website, you can scroll down a bit and learn a little more about the process. You can see the different ways you can earn Bitcoin through this website. You can view ads, complete surveys, watch videos, refer a friend, and much more. This is one of those websites that rewards you for doing the simplest of tasks so you can earn without putting in any hard work. And it all happens very fast. You can also find on their homepage that they have been in the business for quite some time, so you don't need to worry if this is a legitimate website or not, because it absolutely is. You can check out their figures, tens of thousands of total users, millions of total clicks, hundreds of thousands of offers completed, and most importantly, tens of millions of Bitcoin rewarded to its users. Number 3, make a brand new account on the ESPTCO platform. It's time to make your own account to start making some earnings and gaining some rewards. Now that you've found out about this great platform, what you want to do is sign up to go to the homepage and look for the Register on ES Faucets button. Click on that. Now that will lead you to a new page that says ES Faucet Register. It will then ask you to enter in your credentials. You will need to enter a username, email address, password, and accept the terms and conditions. It is important that you use a valid email address, or else you may not be able to make your new account. Once you have done that, you will now have your brand new account. You're already on your way to earning a ton of Bitcoin, so now it's time to look to see how much money you can earn on this platform. And there are a few different ways, so let's check them out. Number 4, gain rewards on the ESPTCO platform. Let's start earning some Bitcoin now that you've made your account. Go to the homepage after signing in with your account and look at the top tabs. One of them will say View Ads. Click on this button. It will then lead you to a new page. So how does this section work? Well, basically an advertiser will pay this website to display their ads on here, and you will be getting a share of that payment. It's a win-win situation for both you and the website. So how can you take part in this process? Well, once you've clicked on the View Ads button, you will see a page with a few different options available. There is a box that says Bitcoin Black. Under that is a button that says View Site. Click on the View Site button and it will lead you to yet another page. You will need to keep this new page open for about 10 seconds. Once those 10 seconds are up, you will be able to get your reward. You will also need to submit a CAPTCHA, but that is also super easy to do. After that is done, you will see that the rewards have been credited to your accounts and you can then close the pop-up window. You can repeat this process to earn a ton of Bitcoin. But want other ways to earn? Let's check out another one. You can look back up at the top tabs on the page and find the Offers button. Click on that. You will now be led to a new page where you can see a few things you can do on the website in order to earn your Bitcoin. This will help you to maximize your profits. There will be other websites listed on this page, and you can click on the offers to visit these websites and do things such as fill out surveys or watch videos in order to earn your rewards, which is great, but what you came here for was to make Bitcoin just by watching videos. So let's check out an important feature on this website. On the top tab of the page, there is a videos button. Click on that. It will now lead you to another page where you can start earning your rewards in a very simple and fun way. When you get to the new page, you will see many different options. There will be a few featured options, which means that they are more rewarding. With each video option, you will see how many points you can earn and how long each video is. As you can see, they are not long at all, so these rewards will come to you very fast. All it takes is just a few minutes of your time. All you need to do is select a video and let it play for the length of the time required. Now, you're all set. The reward will automatically get credited to your account. You can then close the window. So let's move on to another step that will help you boost your earnings. Number 5, assert your free of charge Bitcoin. How about making some more Bitcoin now that you've started to earn a lot? That is absolutely possible with this site. Go to the es.btcnews.com website and you will see your dashboard. Go to the left-hand side and look for the Earn tab. Click on that and choose your cryptocurrency of choice. For this method, we are going to look at Bitcoin, so go ahead and select that. Now you will be led to another page. Scroll down a bit and you will see a click here to claim button. Click on that and you will see that you are given a bonus Bitcoin for free. It is a great way to boost what you've already earned, and now it is time to actually withdraw your Bitcoin. Number 6, pulling out your Bitcoin. You're ready to pull out your earnings now that you're pleased with them. On the dashboard, you will see a tab that says My Account. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the Withdraw button. You will see a long list of different cryptocurrencies that you can withdraw. But this example, we're going to use Bitcoin, so let's go with that. Look for the Bitcoin option and click on the Show Details button on the right-hand side. It will now instantly redirect you to a new page with a few different options. You can see that you have a few options for withdrawal method. You have Coinbase, BTC Wallet, FaucetPay, and Express Crypto. Select the option according to the Bitcoin wallet that you have set up in the first step of this video. With each option, you will see a minimum withdrawal limit and a transaction fee. For this, Coinbase has no transaction fee, but the withdrawal limit is a bit higher than the other options. So select one of these options. When you withdraw, keep in mind that it can take up to 24 to 48 hours to process, although most withdrawals are usually done within 12 hours. Once you withdraw, your rewards will automatically be transferred from points into Bitcoin and then put into the wallet that you have chosen. It is that simple, and with this method, you can keep doing it over and over. And all you have to do is watch a few videos for a few minutes and you can start earning those Bitcoin fast. So try this method out today and watch your Bitcoin wallet fill up quick. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these other videos on your screen and we'll see you there.